We all know what extremely turbulent times our economy is facing right now. So who isn't looking for some peace of mind when it comes to you and your family's financial security? Today we're going to talk about some steps you can take to protect your finances. And you don't want to miss this. Joining us now from New York is Chris Blunt, Senior VP and COO of New York Life Insurance Company. Welcome, Chris.
Thanks, Jennifer.
With so many financial institutions in distress today, consumers are obviously worried. What about life insurers? Do you have any reassuring words for us about life insurance companies?
Absolutely. In fact, there's three differences I'd like to highlight. The first is that life insurers offer products that provide long-term insurance guarantees, and because of that, tend to take a more conservative approach with their investments. Secondly, insurance companies are subject to state regulations, which have very stringent requirements on the amount of capital and reserves that insurance companies need to hold to back up the long-term promises they make to their policy owners. Finally, this is a great time for consumers to seek financial guidance, which life insurers can provide through their professional career agents.
Okay, Chris, so we see how stock portfolios are affected by the ups and downs of Wall Street. Are all life insurance companies being affected the same way?
Definitely not, Jennifer. Some insurers have significantly greater exposure to the stock market than others. It's really important for consumers to understand each company's business model, their ownership structure. For example, are they a stockholder-owned company or a policyholder-owned mutual company? Finally, look for independent confirmation of the company's financial strength. For example, Forbes magazine just reported in its October 13th issue that mutually owned insurers tend to have the best balance sheets. And as the largest mutual life insurance company in the U.S., New York Life has one obligation and only one obligation, and that's to be there when our policyholders need us most, whether that's 10, 20, or even 30 years from now. Providing long-term insurance guarantees to our policyholders is our core mission.
How about safety? Are there any safe haven products that people should be considering during times like these?
At New York Life, we're seeing a big increase in interest in permanent life insurance, which is a product that provides a death benefit and allows you to accumulate some cash value on a tax-deferred basis. Policyholders are also able to borrow against their cash in those policies. And even though those loans do accumulate interest and they can lower the death benefit if you don't pay them back, it's a great feature to have in turbulent times like today. For those nearing retirement, income annuities have to be considered as well. These products provide a guaranteed stream of income for life. They're a great retirement tool for those millions of people that no longer have a traditional pension plan to provide that paycheck for life. But Jennifer, I got to tell you, it's especially important for women to learn more about these retirement options because, as you know, women traditionally live longer than men.
So how does the consumer decide which company is right for them?
It's very important that consumers work with top-rated companies. New York Life's the oldest and largest mutual life insurance company, and among insurers, our multi-billion-dollar portfolio is conservatively managed with a track record of providing competitive risk-adjusted returns over time. I believe that's a key factor why all four of the major rating agency firms in the U.S., that would be Moody's, Standard & Poor's, Fitch, and AM Best, have again awarded New York Life their highest ratings in August of this year.
We all need to protect our finances, so where can we go to find out more about life insurance?
Well, a great place to start is our website. That's www.newyorklife.com. It's a great place to learn more, find an agent, and most importantly, gain some financial peace of mind.
Thanks, Chris. Great advice to help us be proactive in protecting our finances.
Great. Thanks for having me.